That's about as big as a red snapper gets right there. Oh my God, dude!
That was big, bro.
We're on, baby, we're on. We are on. Ready? Good morning, boys and girls. We're headed out on a spooky, foggy morning, and we're going out of Sebastian, Florida today with Captain David. Woo!
What's up? Let's do it.
We got snapper rods, grouper rods, trolling rods, a bunch of bait, and we're just gonna go out and catch fish. I'm not sure what we're gonna catch today, but I have a good feeling about it. Quick stop for some bait. Got the sabiki rigs all set up. Little chunks of squid. We're gonna try to invite some grunts on the boat. Oh yeah. First drop, baby! Woo! Can't keep these, this will get vented and put back down. Hooked up over here, Captain?
Got something.
What do you got?
I don't know.
Big old grouper or not?
He's still fighting. Just hoping he'd give up by now, you know?
Yeah.
Thinking AJ or big red snapper. Yeah, it's a red snapper dig now. He's a big
Never
guy.
ran like a big jack.
If he's a red snapper, he's giant.
Maybe it's a red baron snapper.
Be cool.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. There you go. Amberjack. See ya. That feels like a grouper.
Oh yeah, dude.
Well, that's what we like to see. We just need a bigger one. Scamp grouper. Tell your daddy. They're biting.
This is weird.
They're biting. Not sure what they are, but they're biting.
An anchor.
An anchor.
Jack. Definitely Jack.
Don't say that. Oh, I got a fish.
Get him.
Oh, I got a bite. I don't know if I got a fish. Oh, he's not on there. You see him?
Almost.
I gotta see what you got. That's a donkey. That's a donkey, dude.
Big one.
He's got a freaking head on him, doesn't he?
Holy moly.
Jeez. That one's got a freaking...
Wow. Oh.
Hang on to him.
Damn.
Hang on to him.
Holy moly.
That one...
Oh.
Damn. That's a jack. That's
GoPro
a jack.
never does it either, too.
I know, dude. That's a jack right there. All right, we're getting warmed up. Hey, tell the grouper we're looking for him. Guess what? I got a grouper. Big old red.
Wow.
Big old red.
Damn, dude.
Barely hooked. Barely hooked.
Wow. Woo! That is a nice freaking red grouper.
Look at that fire
Wow.
truck, Bubba. That's a freaking hammer right there.
Woo!
That's all right,
Bro,
guy.
get some of that.
We'll eat that.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
All right, one grouper down. And just so you guys know, we have a little bit of a secret plan. If we can catch a few grouper, we're gonna run out and do some trolling, try to get some mahi and maybe even find some birds in the tuna. So I hope you guys are rooting for us to get a couple more groupers so we can move on.
That's a snapper. It's gotta be a snapper.
I'll bring them up. Let's get a look at this. It is fighting weird.
Definitely not a gag though.
Are you sure?
Giant red. Oh, I don't know. Giant red snapper.
Yeah.
Giant red snapper.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Holy moly.
Jeez.
Dude, that sucks. It's not even going to show how big it is.
It will, and we'll get pictures of it. Dude, he's all scarred up on the face from like fighting other snapper his whole life.
Wow.
Dude. Yeah. That's about as big as a red snapper gets right there. And we can't keep these, but we sure would like to, because that's some good eating fish.
Still here.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Scamperoonie, baby!
Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, I just got grouper too.
Woo!
Very nice.
Scamperoonie! That's the one!
Very nice. That's a nice scamp too.
That's a nice scamp. 100% my favorite kind of grouper to catch and to eat is the scamp grouper.
Yeah.
And we don't get a lot of them, but that's a good size one. Woo! It's heating up. It's heating up.
Nice one.
It's heating up. Well, I thought I had a good one. There's a big old red snapper. Big old chicken fish that we can't keep. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Backlash. All right, we got a bite over here. We found the amberjack spot. Old Captain Dave's got a big one over there too.
Yeah, it's like number 10. Jim's on his 7th grouper.
That's my first jack of the day. It's a good one.
This might be a red snapper.
Woo! Big old jacks, big old jacks, big coming up from the deep.
Big guy.
He breached. There you go. There you go. Keep him for a second. Big old jacks.
Cheers.
Boom. That's a long video. All right, well, I'm officially limited out on grouper. 3 per person. Dave's limited out on amberjacks. So are we leaving?
I'd say so. We need to get out there if we're gonna
All right, so
fulfill our destiny.
we said if we caught a limited grouper and we still have time, we were gonna go try to catch a tuna. Well, we caught a limited grouper and we still have time. So we're gonna go try to catch a tuna, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go for a scamp grouper, big red grouper, and for all those people that were yelling at me in the comments, I kept an amberjack, a big one. We got birds diving, just got the lines out. Now we just need a bite. Got a couple of short strikes, small fish. We couldn't find any big fish. We went through a giant storm, barely made it, but we made it. And we're gonna start heading in, but we have one more stop and one more surprise for you guys, and it could be the biggest fish of the day. It's not as bad as it looks. We just found some fish. I got it, I got it. Go, you stay that one. Oh my God, dude, your shotgun? Yeah. You fighting shotgun? Oh my God, dude.
That one's big, bro.
Yeah, I want you to catch this one. I don't want to catch the big one.
We don't want to slow down now.
Yeah.
So then, try 6 first.
Yep. Slow. Easy. You ready?
We're crossing. You gotta pick that up.
Yeah. Let me get this. All right.
Here, can we bring our tips together so we can see who's over who?
You're over me.
Okay.
I'm going shotgun.
All right.
You go split.
You want to switch? You got the monster, bro.
We gotta clear these flowers while we're tight. Let's do it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up speed. I'm gonna pick up speed.
No, no.
Oh, how?
Okay.
All right, look at us. Are we crossing again?
Yeah, you're over. Get through. Yellow. Until you're ready. Come on, bring him up, bring him up.
Woo! Hell yeah. All right, get your... We did it, boy.
Come off that turn a little bit. Come off that turn a little bit. All right. Yeah, you're it.
Remove that gap.
Coming over. I'm trying to put the fish out of your way too.
Yeah.
Come on.
Even half? I don't know.
Walk him up.
No. All right.
Woo! That's a big tuna.
All right.
Tuna and grouper! Tuna and grouper!
Yeah.
We did it!
All right.
We're on, baby, we're on! We are on! Come on. We got another one? What we got? Dude, that sounds like a good one. Alright, we're running a little low on GoPro battery, so we got another one hooked up. We're gonna check in with you guys in a minute. Make that two hooked up!
Didn't you see it? I'll gap for you.
Oh, that's a good one, dude.
Yeah!
That's a good
Woo!
one. That's a good
Hell
one.
yeah!
All right, get yours. Big circle. That's a big one. It's a big one.
Woo! Nice.
All right.
Nice.
Woo! Got him?
Yeah.
Tell me when.
Yep. Nice job.
Woo! Yellowfin double.
Number 4.
Boom! Woo!
Wow. Grouper sticking out of tuna. Wow. That is
Grab
freaking
that.
hot, bro.
Throw the box. Grouper and tuna.
Reds and scamps and tunas. Holy crap. Holy crap. Ugh. Can you bring in this flat line?
Yep.
Bring in that one.
Come on, Captain. This is the fish of the day.
He's every pump I get, he's taking it back. Headshot. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go!
Nice.
There you go, bro. There you go. Yeah, dude, that's a chubby one. That's a chubby one. Good job, bro.
Right.
Well, boys and girls, we're headed in. Freaking
6 o'clock.
Grouper and tuna at 6 o'clock. Dave's got a babysitter that's mad at him. I'm missing a birthday party, and we're in trouble. But we caught grouper and tuna on the same trip, and that was the goal today.
We did it.
Good job, bro.
Damn.
All right, guys.
Awesome.
Love you guys. We'll see you on the next one.